Okay, everyone, good evening. My name is Nasli, for those who doesn't know me. I'm a real estate broker. I'm part of the IAM team. And our office is in Blue Village with Royal Page. And for this project, my partner is Pablo. He's a business banker, the man of the number, but he's going to introduce a little bit. And well, as we saw, everybody has been in Mexico or know somebody that has been in Mexico. So today we're gonna talk about Tulum, but right now it's a lot of opportunities in all the Riviera Maya. We are talking about Playa del Carmen, Tulum, Puerto Maderos, but if somebody has questions about other places, we can talk at the end of the presentation. And tonight we are here. Why right now is the best time to invest in Tulum, the payment structure, how to secure a desired pre-construction luxury project, and return on investment in the short rental that is one of the most important. So now, why is the best time to invest in Tulum? Time and develop it. Right now, Tulum is 1.5 hours from Cancun Airport, but soon the new airport gonna be open. So that's gonna be more accessible for all the tourists to come to Tulum. As we know, like Tulum is a very desirable destination, not just for Canadians, but like worldwide. So with a new airport there, more people gonna come to visit. We also have the Maya train. The Maya train gonna connect all the Yucatan Peninsula. So that's gonna bring more like people from the old Mexico to visit Tulum. And we're gonna have the Formula One racetrack that's gonna be in Puerto Maderos, 30 minutes from Tulum. That is without counting like the unique attractions, like one of the most important is the Chacan Biosphere. That is one of the biggest natural reserve in Tulum. So now we're gonna talk about the project. Pre-construction with luxury amenities, shopping area, restaurant, special attention to the greens area and water. So when we talk about the special attention to the water, is the whole floor of the project gonna be water. Units start in $170K with a private pool, and we are counting with all the luxury amenities. So we're gonna have a spa, we're gonna have a sport bar, we're gonna have kids playground, we're gonna have gym, outdoor gym, co-worker space, theater, like all the luxury amenities. So in a place that you have like luxury amenities, you are like attracting a lot of people to like rent your place. That's gonna make like, this is what we say, live for a while and rent for a while. That's gonna make you happy when you are there. You are enjoy all the like nice luxury amenities, and at the same time, when you are not there, you can make some profit. And we also have permits in place. First phase of occupancy is March 2024, and the fourth phase is September 2025. We are 2 minutes to the Holistica Hotel, that is one of the most important places for yoga and wellness retreatment. That's gonna open your options to get like people renting your place, because we just don't have the people that go into party there. We also have people that go in to do yoga, to relax. So many people want to be there. And we also have, we are like 8 minutes from the beach, undeveloped on the road. So that means if you get your place right now there, you're going to invest in the first stages of a secure project with a reliable builder. You're going to get like the max of your capital over there. And when we talk about reliable builder, it's Vinza Group. We have over 10 years of experience and over 17 successful projects delivery. So we encourage you to do your research about the builder. It's like one of the best there. Material that they use is very high quality. And now we're gonna talk about the payment structure. They are like working payment instruction, 30, 40, and 30, and they are offered 4.20% off. 30, 60, and 10, and they are offered 6.30 off, 80, 20, and they are offered almost 10% off. So let's say, for example, the first one, 30, 40, and 30. So when we say 30%, that's gonna be the down payment once you get your unit. It works very similar that it works here, the pre-construction. So you have a 10 days cool period when you revise the contract. The contract also gonna be in English. So if you don't know Spanish, you can review with your lawyer in English. And then the deal is firm. So then we have the 40% left. That 40%, we can divide monthly payments. So let's say your unit is, as we say, first stage is March 2024, or last stage is September 2025. So we take that amount of months and we divide that 40% and you pay monthly. And the last 30% is for occupancy. So when your unit is ready. When the unit is ready, then you can start to do like enjoy yourself, or you can put it in a property management company that can make you some profit.
Thank you. Once again, everybody, thank you for coming this evening. My name is Eric Pablo. I'll start with telling you a little bit about myself. I've been investing in real estate for many years now. I expanded my portfolio in Mexico in 2020 with a development of 29 units. And through my journey, I made some relationships with a few big developers in the area and established partnerships that allows us to bring this opportunity for you today. So, as we all know, when it comes to real estate investing, timing is everything. And right now, Tulum is having its moment. It's also important to know exactly how much you can earn from your investment. So I'm going to talk about the numbers to tell you exactly how much you can earn from a unit that is currently available at Ocean Tulum right now. But before we get into that, I do want to get your attention to this chart over here. So here we have a chart. Here's a comparison of return on investment from different financial instruments in Mexico over the past 2 years. With $100,000 invested, had you put that into private mortgages, you could have gained a 1.4% return on investment. Had you taken that $100,000 and invested into a federal Mexican treasury certificate, like a government bond, you could have generated a 13% return on investment. Now, who here knows what the current GIC rates are going for in Canada? Anybody? It's about 5.3, 5.4, so 10.6, 10.8 respectively, just to put it into perspective, right? So had you taken that same $100,000 and you put it into a mixed balanced portfolio of stocks and bonds, it could have earned you a 13% return. Had you put it in a more riskier stock portfolio, it could have earned you a 17% return. But lastly, had you taken the $100,000 and invested it into a condo in the Mayan Riviera over the last 2 years, you could have earned a 34% return on investment, and that's in property value appreciation alone. So that's 17% per year, and that's equity that we're talking about. So I just wanted to start off with that. This is derived from the Maness Research Department, so you could get an idea of how investments are performing in Mexico at the moment. So now I'm going to talk to you about the short-term rental business side of things. Right now, so here we have a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom unit currently available at Ocean Tulum. It's 420 square feet with its own plunge pool. And this unit can generate you a 10.8% return on investment per year when you list it on sites like Airbnb, Booking, VRBO, and so on. Now, the numbers that I'm about to discuss with you are based on a similar listing in the area. I'll have you know that I have a property management company in Mexico that takes care of the short-term rental business for our clients so that you have day-to-day management for your property over there. So the point, while it's optional, the point that I'm making here is that these numbers are real numbers. So when we start off with price per night, we have to factor in seasonality. In Mexico, we have high season, mid-season, and low season. Your high season being, December, January, February. Low season being July, August, September. So high season, you're charging anywhere between, upwards of $200 per night. Low season, $60 to $70 per night. So for the year, we take an average occupancy rate of 67% for the year. Now, keep in mind, according to AirDNA data, right now in high demand areas in Tulum, we're actually looking at an 80% occupancy rate on average per year. But for my example, to keep it conservative, I use a 67% occupancy rate. So for the year, this unit can generate you $29,000 Canadian in short-term rental income. Now, from there, of course, we have to take into account our expenses. You have your monthly maintenance fee, you have your utilities, which is your water, electricity, your property tax, your insurance. So for this particular unit, the numbers come up to $4,200 for the year. Now, on top of that, there's a management fee. Of course, one of the questions I often get asked is, I'm here my property's over there. Who's going to take care of the day-to-day things for me? Well, that's where we come in. We make sure that we have boots on the ground. We take care of everything from A to Z. Make sure that your guests are taken care of. Any issues that come up, we have maintenance people there to address all that. So for that, my company charges a 20% on the reservations. However, as I mentioned, it's optional. You're free to do your own due diligence about a company of your choice. The going rate is anywhere from 20 to 30%. And see, I will leave that to you. For my example, that's another $5,800, leaving you with a $19,000 profit or a 10.8% return. Now, keep in mind, you have the opportunity to invest in an income-producing asset that is projected to appreciate in the next few years. As Jimena mentioned, with the current developments in infrastructure currently taking place in Tulum, like the Mayan train, the new airport, there's a big Jaguar Park that's being developed. Tulum right now is under construction. There's so much happening there that if you invest right now, it is projected that you can get the same appreciation of value, if not more, in the next few years. In addition to that, keep in mind, this is an investment that you can actually enjoy. You get the opportunity to invest in a place that you can visit whenever you choose to and explore all the amazing experiences that the Mayan Riviera has to offer. Remember, live for a while, rent for a while.